This is going to be a video on tank equalization. It's on a Cedar Creek Silverback 31IK, a 2021. So what I'm doing is filling up the one sink, filling up one tank with kitchen and shower, which goes into the galley tank. Then after that gets pretty full, I'm going to cap off the drain and pull both valves to see if it'll equalize into that bath tank or the second tank. Because they're both 40 gallons, it'd be nice to have 80 gallon available. You have the kitchen sink on, and you can tell if we go back to the control panel that it's filling up gray tank number 2. In addition to the kitchen sink, we have the shower on also. So the shower and kitchen sink are going into gray number 2 and are located on the galley valve. Gray tank number 2 on the monitor panel is now showing full. I've had these running about 14 minutes. I've had the kitchen sink and the shower in the bathroom running for about 14 minutes, and it's showing full. So what I'm going to do is turn them off and then cap the discharge valve and see if it equalizes on the other tank. Now I'm going to put the cap on the valve. If I was to try this while I was at camping, I'd actually put a valve at the end of this so I could turn it on and off. Would be a little safer. Then I'm going to pull both the galley and bath tank to see if the galley will fill the bath tank or if they'll equalize. That's capped. And we'll go to the valves, pull galley, and pull the other one also, the bath. Now we'll go see what the monitors show. I can hear something running, so. Okay, back inside the trailer. And now gray tank number 1 and gray tank number 2 both show something, and they've equalized. And so before it just showed water in the gray tank number 2. It'd be interesting to see how much it equalizes here. We'll let you know how far that goes down. I don't think it'd be able to fill it, but maybe tank number 2 is on top of tank number 1 and it'll actually fill it. It shouldn't be able to. We'll see. It transferred all the water from gray 2 to gray 1, it looks like. And I still hear something running, so I'm going to go pull the valve and see what happens if there's anything left in gray number 2. So the first thing we're going to do here is shut both valves, galley, bath. Then I'm going to open the cap and let the water that's in the pipe drain out. So in theory what happened is all the water that went from gray 2, which is really the galley tank, went over to the bath tank. So there shouldn't be a lot of water in the galley tank when I pull it. Should be a little. And it looks like there's very little, and that was the one that was full. That's the one I filled up and then put the cap on and pulled the other valve. So it all drained almost into number 2, into the bath tank. Okay, let's see what's in the bath tank. Yeah, that's what happened. So I guess the idea is that you can tank equalize, but you may want to do it when it's half full or something to transfer the water into it. And also, you would buy a gate valve for this, a shut-off valve. It's all clean water, so I didn't have one on.